All right, nerves of the skin. We have motor nerve fibers, we have sensory nerve fibers, and secretory nerve fibers. So your motor nerve fibers are distributed to like your rector pili muscles attached to your hair follicles. Your motor nerves carry impulses from the brain to the muscles. Okay. Your sensory nerve fibers react to heat, cold, touch, pressure, and pain. So it sends messages to the brain. Then you have your secretory nerve fibers, which are distributed to your sweat and oil glands of your skin. And they regulate the excretion or perspiration from your sweat glands. And it also controls the flow of sebum to the surface of the skin. You need to know all three of those. Then you have your sense of touch. Okay, nerve endings are found in the papillary layer. They register sensation like touch, pain, heat, colds, pressure. Um, your endings are most abundant in your fingertips. Complex sensations such as like vibrations seem to depend on the sensitivity of the combination of these nerve endings. Then we have our skin color, which is melanin. Okay, melanin is tiny grains of pigment or color matter that are produced by something we call melanocytes. And then, um, depending um, depending on the deposits of cells in the basal layer of the epidermis and the papillary layers of the dermis, depends on your skin color. So you also have something in skin color called pheomelanin, eomelanin, and then we're going to go into a couple other things. So pheomelanin produces light colored skin, your red to your yellow hair colors. Your eomelanin is your dark or black hair for dark colored skin. Okay, it just depends on how much melanin and melanocytes that you have in your skin that determines those two things. Think about to a way to remember it. Uh, red, yellow, R and Y are near P on the alphabet. So pheomelanin, red and yellow color hair. Eomelanin is over by B on the alphabet. So eomelanin, brown, black hair. Just kind of a way to remember it. Okay, sun protection. Melanin helps protect sensitive cells from the sun's UV light. Okay, but it does not provide enough protection to prevent skin damage. Daily use of a broad spectrum sunscreen with a sun protection factor SPF of about 15 or higher is recommended. It helps protect the skin from burning, skin cancer, and premature aging. Broad spectrum means that the sunscreen product has been shown to protect against both UVA and UVB rays of the sun. The strength and the flexibility of the skin. There's two structures. You got collagen and you got elastin. Okay. They make up 70% of the dermis and it gives strength, form, and flexibility to your skin. Collagen is a fibrous protein that gives the skin form and it also gives strength. Healthy collagen fibers allow the skin to stretch and contract. If fibers become weakened, the skin can lose its tone, its suppleness, and it also can wrinkle and sag. Then you have your elastin, which is a protein base. It's similar to your collagen that forms elastic tissues. But it gives the flexibility and the elasticity. It helps the skin regain its shape even after repeating your stretching and your expanding and stuff. Both types of fibers are important in your overall health and appearance of the skin. As we age, gravity causes our fibers to weaken. In the end, a loss of elasticity resulting in sagging skin. A majority of scientists now believe that most signs of skin aging are caused by the sun's exposure over your lifetime. Using a daily broad spectrum sunscreen with a SPF of 15 or higher, maintaining a moisturizing skincare regimen, and keeping the skin free of disease will slow the weakening of collagen and elastin fibers and help the skin look longer. We have the glands of the skin. The skin contains two types of duct glands that extract materials from your blood to form new substances. We have our seriferitis gland, which is your sweat gland, and your subcutaneous, which is your oil gland. Your sudoriferous excrete perspiration. It also detoxifies the body by excreting any excess salts or unwanted chemicals. They consist of a secretory coil in the coil base of the sudoriferous gland and tube-like sweat duct at the end of the surface of the skin to form a sweat pore. So practically all parts of the body are supplied with these glands, which are more numerous on the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet, the forehead, and the underarms. Regulating your body temperature and help eliminate the waste products from your body also is part of this. Subcutaneous, or your oil gland, consists of little sacs whose duct opens up in the hair follicle. They secrete sebum that lubricates the skin. It also preserves the skin, keeps the skin soft and the hair soft. These glands are found everywhere on the body except on the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. Sebum flows through oil ducts leading to the mouths of the hair follicles. When it becomes hardened and the duct gland becomes clogged, this becomes something we call a comedoe, which is formed. And a comedone is a follicle filled with keratin and sebum, which forms pretty much a pimple too.